All right, today we're going to make mini mice, not Minnie Mouse. That's someone completely different. We're going to make mini mice. Look at their cute little tail on the back. And I'm gonna show you how to do it. I'm gonna call you up probably 2 at a time, and I'm going to give you a ball of clay this size, and a ball of clay the size of a good peanut M&M, and another ball the size of a peanut M&M. And you're gonna take these, and you're going to not spend forever, but you're going to roll this one into a ball, and roll this one into a ball, and roll this one into a ball. And then you are going to put your thumb, I'm gonna use my finger because my thumbs are giant. You're gonna put your thumb in the bottom of this, and you're just gonna kind of spin it around a tiny bit. And this is called a pinch pot. We're making a little pinch pot. We're just emptying that out. So it's like a little tiny pot, except we're gonna keep it turned upside down like this. We're gonna take one tiny, tiny, tiny little flick of water. We're gonna shake it off, and we're gonna just touch right up here where a little mouse's ears would go. And then I'm going to take one of these clay balls, and I'm just gonna smush it a little bit like this, so now it looks like one of those mini Oreo treats. And I'm gonna press and wiggle, press and wiggle, press and wiggle, press and wiggle. And when I do that, it's stuck on good. And then I'm gonna take the other one, I'm gonna smush it down. Oh, I know what I mean, like those Ritz crackers, those Ritz Bits, those little Ritz Bits snack, and they look like this. And again, it's still wet, so I'm gonna take this and I'm going to press and wiggle, press and wiggle, press and wiggle, press and wiggle. And then these are on. And I can even take my thumb and I can give it a little press with my thumb, not super hard because I don't want it super skinny, but here are these big giant mouse ears. Then I'm going to have you take a pencil and very gently, we're gonna poke an eyeball, and poke a nose. 3 little dots, Poconos. That's the mountains I used to go to when I was a kid. My uncle had a cabin in the Poconos Mountains, but this is Poconos. This is very different. Then you're gonna hand it over to me, and because this is very sharp, I'm going to give you a couple little whiskers. If you want yours to have eyelashes, I can give yours a couple little eyelashes. And I can put a little tail on the back. But most importantly, I'm gonna put your initials. And your initials is the first letter of your first name and the first letter of your last name. So if mine is Todd Double D, my initials would be T for Todd and D for Double D. And I'll put my initials on the bottom of this tiny little mouse, and then I will set it aside until we look at it again. Oh, precious. That's all. Beep. Boop. I don't know what I'm doing. Boop. Cut it. Time to go.